Hello friends, I am Sambita. Welcome back to my channel. Today I will share with you guys how to paint a plant pot. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel and share with your friends. For new video notification, please press the bell icon. Follow me on my Instagram account Sambita's channel and Facebook page Sambita. So let's get started. For this we need acrylic color, paint brush and plant pot. Here I am making Indian tribal art Varli painting. At first, wash your pot properly. Now I am using blue, green, red, yellow, black acrylic color. What is Varli painting? Varli painting is a style of tribal art mostly created by the tribal people from the North Sahyadri range in India. This range encompasses cities such as Dhahanu, Talasari, Johar, Palgarh, Mokhada and Bikramgarh of Palgarh district. This tribal art was originated in Maharashtra, where it is still practiced today. The tradition of Varli painting is Maharashtra are among the finest examples of folk style of paintings. The Varli tribe is one of the largest in India, located outside of Mumbai, despite being close to one of the largest cities in India. The Varli culture is centered around the concept of Mother Nature, and elements of nature are often focal points depicted in Varli painting. Farming is their main way of life and a large source of food for the tribe. They greatly respect nature and wildlife for the resources that they provide for life. Varli artists use their clay hearths as the backdrop for their paintings, similar to how ancient people used cave walls as their canvases. Varli painting techniques. These rudimentary wall paintings use a set of basic geometric shapes: a circle, a triangle, and a square. These shapes are symbolic of different elements of nature. The circle and the triangle come from their observation of nature. The circle represents sun and the moon, while the triangle is derived from mountain and pointed trees. In contrast, the square appears to be a human invention, indicating a sacred enclosure or a piece of land. The central motif in the ritual painting is surrounded by scenes portraying hunting, fishing, and dances are common scenes depicted in the ritual paintings. People and animals are represented by two inverse triangles joined at their tips. Varli paintings covered day-to-day activities of the village people. Material used. The simple pictorial language of Warli painting is matched by a rudimentary technique. The ritual paintings are usually created on the inside walls of village huts. The walls are made of a mixture, a red, ochre yellow background for the paintings. The Warli only paint with a white pigment made from a mixture of rice paste and water with gum as a binder. A bamboo stick is chewed at the end to give it the texture of a paintbrush. Walls are painted only to mark special occasions such as weddings or harvests. Now I am using 3 colors for fill the character. The 3 colors are green, blue and red. Our pot is almost ready. Hope you enjoyed this video. Give me your feedback on comment section below. See you on my next video. Till then, stay creative, stay happy. Bye bye.